If we have a Saints parent out there with a roster, please join the press box. Number 12 return. Tackle made by number 6. Number 54. Pass incomplete by number 50. Quarterback.
This is our playoff game against the Panthers.
Wow. 4.5 yards. Good enough for first down for the Saints.
We'll call or she'll call.
Third and long here. Run up the middle. Play game's done. 3 yards. Panthers. Down remains 3. Third and 9. Pass incomplete over the.
I swung it down.
Good tackle by Maxson for the Panthers. Brings the troops to the line. First and 10. Ball on the 34-yard line. Fumble on the play, recovered by the Saints. First and 10. Saints on the Panthers 32-yard line. Snyder brings the troops to the line for the Saints. Pass complete over the middle to number 34. Flags on the play. Sack made by number 54, Ben Pinehart. Number. Jake Jackson brings Panthers to the line. First and 10 from 20. Got here on the run for the Panthers. Big gain on the play. Jackson brings the line. We have penalty on the play. Panthers in the formation. Number 42 at quarterback, Jake Jackson. Number 36, David Patterson. Big run down. Second quarter begins. Pitch to number 36. Brings his troops to the line of the eye.
Oh, come on. Get that ball! Get it!
Handoff from Michael Bauer, number 12, number 36.
He's going for the pass! Interception!
Pass. Number 54, Bell Snyder, still at quarterback for the Saints. Handoff up the middle. Big run, 9-yard gained there by number. Sack on the fumble on the play. Panthers in the Wildcat formation. Flags on the play. Michael Byron, the quarterback, for the sack.
Oh, man!
Flags on the play.
Watch the ball!
Davis.
How long do you think Steven's thing's going to last?
2 hours.
Get him! You gotta be able to hold him.
Number.
I don't want anything for you.
Michael Byron, number 12 on the run. Looks. Michael Byron, number 12, Michael Byron for the Panthers comes to the line. That's completed to number 34, Malachi Heron. First down, Panthers.
Get him!
Well, he came charging.
Nope. Josh Watt snapping. Long pass on the play and incomplete. Fumble on the play, recovered by numbers.
Seashells by the seashore.
There it is! Way to go, Saints! Good job, boys!
Which four brings the Saints to the line. Pressure on the quarterback by number 11.